To start, I'm using uniform gray and black mixed up to a very dark gray for the base. Now, in general, you want the iris size to be a third of the width of the eye, and I found it's easier just to start in the center and slowly expand it until it looks about right. And always remember I can come back in with Metal to fix any mistakes. Once that was dry, I mixed a highlight using about 75% of the uniform gray. This was thinned down a bit more to give a bit of translucency. I used even strokes towards the center to start building the texture of the iris. At first, it's going to look like bike spokes, but as I continue doing passes and filling in the gaps with new spokes, I'll get something like this. Next, I use pure uniform gray thinned down even more to do short strokes that ended about halfway towards the center to add a layered highlight. With that done, all that's left to do is to go back to the original dark gray mix to paint in the pupil. Similar to how the iris was 1/3 of the total eyeball, the pupil is going to be a total of 1/3 of the iris.